Oh, well, hello again. Come on in. I was just enjoying some afternoon tea. So as I was telling you earlier about my hairstyles, I have two that I really like to do as a Victorian woman. So why don't you check them out? Okay, so starting out, you're going to need a comb and two clips to hold your front hairs. So we're going to go ahead and part this down the middle and give it a good brush. Now this look, we're going to start now with parting from the top of the head down to where the ear is. And the hairs that sit in front of the ear, go ahead and bring that forward towards your face, and then you're going to clip that in with the clip. And do that on the other side. Okay, so the hair in the back, take the top half of it, brush it out, and then you're going to make a ponytail out of that. Okay, next you're going to braid that ponytail that you just made, and no need for a rubber band for this. You're going to wrap this around the knot of the hair tie, and a bobby pin will hold that in just fine. So just wrap it around the knot. Make sure it's nice and secure. You'll probably need 1 to 2. Okay, next step, take your front hairs out of the clips, brush it out, and then you're going to really tease both ends. So I should have mentioned this at the beginning. When I first learned how to do this hairstyle, it was actually a YouTube tutorial by a channel called Sivu Plays Hairstyling. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It's really awesome. She's got all sorts of historical hairstyles, and I'm going to put that in the description if you're interested in more of that. I'll put the specific video I was using. The first look I'm giving you is actually one that I used because I didn't like using hair extensions. Okay, so real quick, we just finished teasing the hair. Now we're going to take each side, cross that behind in a diagonal to the opposite ear side, and then you're going to secure it in next to your braided half knot. And then you do the same thing with the other side and secure it in. All right, now smooth out the top a little bit. Right, next step. As I was saying, this first half is my remake of the hair tutorial that the Sivu Play channel had done because I didn't like using hair extensions. So if you don't want to use hair extensions, just do what I'm doing and braid the entire thing like this. And you use your rubber band to secure that braid. Now you're going to wrap that braid around. And you can see here I'm showing you the hairpins. Hairpins are easier to secure in for updos because you have a lot more freedom with where you put them. I use the bobby pins on the parts that you don't see, but the hairpins, if you can technically use hairpins for the entire look. So yes, I just wrap it around the original knot and I tuck it into the bottom and then I secure it in place, and then you can add hair ornaments as you like. So this is the look that I use with just the braiding. Okay, next, if you want to follow the S'il vous plaît channel's original hair tutorial with the hair extensions, then follow along. You follow the first steps that I had where you have the half knot up, and you're going to put the hair extensions on top of that knot. Make sure that you're actually covering the knot though, because the whole look is meant to be look like it's a bun underneath. Now you take all that, brush it together, and then you are also going to braid that as well. So you would just follow the step from the first one where you take all the hairs together and you braid them. It's more ideal. I think I only have half of a set of hair extensions, but it's obviously more ideal if you have a full set. It would definitely be the more the merrier on this. And when you're done, you secure that with a rubber band. And then we're going to follow the same thing where we wrap it around the original knot, and then we tuck it in at the bottom and secure with hairpins. And you can decorate as you wish. Okay, and now I'm completing the look with some pearl necklace and pearl earrings. I think the top is more like the Victorian era. A lot of the pictures I noticed they had these beautiful necklines in their dresses, and I felt it captured that look more. Okay, so in all seriousness, my name is Hannah, and I am a lover of opera, classical music, history, travel, and I truly enjoy helping others. So I aim to share through my own experiences and lessons, share through this platform to help others grow. And if you have any questions, you can contact me through the description box below. And I also have the steps listed in the description box because I hate it when you see a video and then you need a written form to try to do it on your own. So I will write that all out in the description. And also, if you are a classical singer as well, or you're someone who enjoys theater, or someone who just enjoys watching this stuff, I thought this could be useful because you can use this for musicals, operas, plays that are set in the Victorian era, and you can use some of these ideas to do that if you guys don't have a hairdresser or someone to help with hair and makeup. You have a way to do it yourself. So I hope this helps, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.